Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a 3D model with Blender, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Blender and create a new project by selecting new file from the splash screen. Familiarize yourself with the interface. The main areas are the 3D viewport, the toolbar, the properties panel, and the timeline. Begin by navigating to the 3D viewport. Use the middle mouse button to rotate the view. Scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Press N to open the side panel for more options. To start modeling, you will need to add a mesh object. Press Shift plus A to open the Add menu. Select Mesh and choose a basic shape like a cube or a sphere. Once the shape appears in the viewport, ensure it is selected. If it's not selected, right-click on the object or press it to select all. Next, switch to Edit mode by pressing the Tab key. In Edit mode, you can modify the geometry of your mesh. Use G to grab and move vertices, edges, or faces. Use S to scale your selection. And use R to rotate it. To extrude new geometry, select an edge or face and press E. Drag to create additional geometry. Continue manipulating your model by combining these tools. If you make a mistake, you can undo by pressing Ctrl plus Z. To apply materials and textures, switch back to Object mode by pressing Tab. In the Properties panel, click on the Material Properties tab. Click the plus icon to create a new material slot. Press New to create a new material. Adjust the properties such as base color and roughness to achieve your desired look. To add textures, scroll down to the base color option and click the dot next to it. Choose Image Texture and load an image file from your computer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.